Hey everybody, hope you're doing well today, staying safe, healthy. Crazy times, but at least here we have some good weather to be outside in. Thought I could take this time to share with you a little project that I've been working on. Well, I guess not so much a project, but more of an experiment. I've been working on this for just over a month. I didn't want to say anything before because I was unsure of how this would all work out, but after seeing the results, I'm actually quite shocked at what happened. Staying inside has made us all think outside the box a bit. But this experiment actually takes place inside the box. A raised garden bed, that is. Along with lettuce and peppers, I planted something else in the garden on a whim. I didn't want to just share a picture because someone would think I'd photoshopped it. So I'm going to take you over to our garden right now. Okay, so I have two 4x8 garden boxes, and in the first one, planted some romaine lettuce and some butter crunch lettuce. Looks like it's all coming in nice and healthy. I have a little irrigation system too that helps out, little misters. The second box is actually lavender that has survived from last year. Some flowers popping up. And those were in here last year as well. I didn't think that they would come back. Just over 30 days ago, I planted something else. All right, so a photo would not do it justice. So without further ado, here's my experiment. This is a toilet paper garden. Check this out. I actually already had one harvest. And last night's rain was not good to some of the buds and flowering that was going on. So I had to pick those off, remove. These are the only survivors. Look at that, we have little twins right there. Oh my gosh, aren't you shocked? You can see them flowering. This one is almost ready to be harvested. Looks like we got a nice little 2-plier here too. We got some that are coming in. These are a little different color. Oh yeah, look at that. That's coming in nice. We have one on there. Last night's rain took a few of these off, unfortunately. So we have to be careful to watch that and harvest it before any water comes to the garden. Got some little flowering going on right here. It's gonna be a nice healthy roll. It's actually, looks like it might be 2-ply, and we may even have some ridges in that. Ooh, that's gonna be nice and soft. Here is the main roll that survived. I haven't picked it yet. I think that this one can get a little bit bigger. But this one is a 2-plier itself. Surprising that these already come with perforated squares. These are extra soft actually too. First harvest, we had some difficulty with them being soft. They were actually single ply, a little rough. Added a little mixture of water and some lotion, and it actually helped out with the softness. I initially started by taking an empty roll and placing it in the soil here and gave it a little extra food. And it took about 7 to 10 days to see any sprouts coming out of the dirt. This is unbelievable. It's actually not very difficult to do, as long as you don't mind if your neighbors think that you're crazy for having a toilet paper garden in your backyard. But hey, after seeing the shortage out there, decided to try anything and everything. So we actually have some homegrown paper right here. I'm looking at these right now and they look super soft. Can't imagine how they get any softer. They need about half a day of sunlight. All right, now you can go ahead and try and plant your own toilet paper garden. If you have any questions, just let me know. I think fertilizer that I used was definitely organic, and I had to keep the dog out of it. This experiment had some challenges, but as you can see, I think this turned out pretty well. If you'd like to go and create your own toilet paper garden, let me know and I'll help you out.